Hi folks, thanks for joining in. Today we are going to continue with our multi-tenancy feature. So we'll start off with where we left last time. The files tab that we had created, that was not multi-tenant compatible. When you went into the files tab, it would fetch the list of files from OpenAI and then display it. So now we have modified that code to list it directly from the database. So there's an error which says basically failed to upload file. So let's go and debug this a little bit. So if you look at this, it basically is uploading the file into OpenAI, but it is not being able to add it to our database. So I've asked it to check for that. It has figured out that the user ID of the logged in user is incorrectly being fed. And so that's why it is not being stored correctly. I think now this problem should be solved. And this is working now. Let's go and check the files table. Yep, it's adding an entry here. Now let's log out and try with another user. It's still showing the same file. But let's go and upload a second file here. Okay, this is working, but the file list is incorrect. So here you can see mega guide and golden rules. So now we have asked it to only show files for the logged in user. So it's modifying the code again. Now it shows only mega guide, and with the first user, it shows golden rules. Let's just double check this again. Now we have 100 workouts and one more file. Whereas over here, we only have golden rules. Yep, it's working fine. Now the bot's endpoint was not working correctly. So just asking you to make a fix for that and also make the navigation on the left side full length because it looks a little weird with it being just half the length. As you can see, it's now become full length and now the bot's tab link is working as well. Now let's go and fix some of the stuff in the files tab. The associate feature has not been working correctly, but it's not been adding it into the database. So just making sure that it adds it into our database. So now let's check. There's a small error, and this error is because it is trying to associate the same file twice in OpenAI, and so OpenAI is throwing an error. But the associate feature itself is working. So now let's go and ask Cursor to fix that error for us. And what I'm also saying is that if I remove the bot from the association, it should also remove it from the vector store. Now once this is done, I also wanted to do the same thing for bots. So if I delete a bot, it should delete the bot from the database. It should delete the assistant and it should delete the vector store. I'm pasting relevant code so that the cursor does not get confused. Now, if I delete this gymbot too, it should also delete it from the database and from OpenAI. So it has deleted it, which means it's working. And you can see it's removed it from the vector store as well. So there you have it. Now we have a fully functional bot platform with the ability to log in, to register, to create bots, to be able to upload files and associate these files with multiple bots, and then ask questions to the bot and get responses. So we're getting one step closer to having something which can be actually used. Let's continue this in the next episode. Thank you.